everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery, and this is Avery's World. Today we'll be doing another jewelry unboxing. This package actually came from eBay, and it contains mostly sterling items, so that's really exciting. And let's see if I can get into the bag, so we can get started. Just gotta bear with me for a minute here. And it looks like the seller packaged everything in tissue to protect it, so I guess that's pretty cool. Okay, you guys, let's get started. Now, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up. I usually do jewelry and clothing hauls, and I'm a reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. Okay, you guys, so we have our first item here. It's a pendant, and it's very unique and interesting. Almost looks Egyptian to me. I'm not really sure, but it's very pretty. Okay, so next, if I can get into this little box here. Just bear with me. Okay. So we have a butterfly. Very pretty, and this actually says 800 silver on the back, so not exactly sterling, but that's okay. Okay, on to the next item. I think we have just a little pin from some kind of association. And it does say sterling. Let's see what we have next. Looks like we have a turquoise pendant. It needs a little cleaning, but I really like the color of the turquoise. Very pretty. Yep. Okay. Let's look at our next item. We have a cute ring. And I like the little pattern on it. Pretty cool. On to the next. We have a necklace, and we've got a chevron pendant with stones, I think. Small little stones. Could be CZs. Very nice. Delicate. Okay, so let's see what we have next. We just have a silver chain. I might scrap this, I'm not sure. And let's see what we have next. This looks like a tie clip of some kind, not really sure. Really cute. Okay, what do we have next? Looks like another necklace. And it's a cute wishbone necklace. Very good condition, and it looks really clean. Very nice. Okay, so our next item, if I can get into it, is a pearl necklace. These are pink pearls. Very pretty. And the metal is sterling. Okay, on to the next. We have a really interesting ring. It looks like a man's ring, but I'm not sure. And it looks to be pretty heavy. And with little turquoise stones. Very nice. Let's see what else we have here. Now, if you're interested in purchasing anything in the video, you can send me a message on Instagram or leave a comment down below. Now, this piece I really like. It's got mother of pearl and marcasite on one side, and then on the reverse side, you've got onyx. Very nice. I think I might keep this one. Okay, so let's see what we have next. A little horseshoe necklace, very cute, very dainty. Definitely nice for someone who's a horse lover. I'll probably put that on Poshmark. And let's see what we have next. We have a bracelet with a horse charm. Very pretty. Very nice. Okay. So let's see what else we have. We've got another necklace, and this is a religious necklace. It's a Jesus pendant. Very nice. Nice chain. Definitely like the weight of that chain. Okay. And next, we have another necklace, and this is absolutely beautiful. It's a crystal heart with a sterling chain, and it's in very nice condition. So this is definitely going on my Poshmark. Very nice. Okay, so let's see what else we have. I think this is our last item. It's a marcasite silver heart with a CZ in the center. And it's actually a locket. I found this out later when I went to clean it. Very nice. This will probably go on Poshmark as well. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, everyone!